Hey friends, welcome back for another air fryer fiasco. So come on in here, we're gonna go do a little recipe. It's an easy one. We're gonna do a zesty ranch air fryer fillet. So come on in, let me show you the ingredients. Just cut up some lemon. We're gonna need some lemon wedges. We need 2 whole eggs, 3/4 cup of breadcrumb or panko. This is actually a combination of both. There's some Parmesan breadcrumbs in here with an Italian breadcrumb. Olive oil, that's probably gonna be our healthiest option. Some extra virgin olive oil. That's gonna be 2 1/4 tablespoons. I'll put the label below how much. There's a packet, 30 grams of your favorite ranch dressing. And we're going with an Alaska cod. It's thawed out now, but it's from Trader Joe's. You can use salmon, you can use any white fish that you like. And we're gonna put it together. So let's go over how to make this, the assembly line. We love using the air fryer now. We've been using this for a couple weeks. It's healthy, it's nutritious. It keeps things nice and fresh and crisp. So let's go over our recipe, shall we? All right, so let's go through this prep together. Crack the eggs. Whisk them real nice. Blend it up. Then we're gonna take, this is the breadcrumbs, panko, and the ranch dressing packet. That is gonna be mixed thoroughly together. And as I mentioned, 2 1/2 tablespoons. And these are going to be mixed together. Still have a half left. Dear, you let me know how well I'm mixing this.
Okay.
And slowly putting it together until it becomes a little bit of a consistency. And this is how easy this is to make. And I like the fact that we're choosing to go with a nice Alaskan cod. Oh my God, this is gonna be awesome. Haha. If you can see the look on my wife's face, she's actually smiling.
Oh,
She's my favorite camera gal.
Where did this come from?
That's the fish.
Yeah, where did it come from?
From Alaska.
Alaska.
Came from our pond.
Yeah. If that was the case, then we'd be out there fishing a lot. We can't eat that fish. All right, so take a look at that. That's probably the most work you're gonna put into this entire recipe. All right, take the fish.
Oh, geez, Dad.
Yeah, and this requires probably about a pound of fish, 3 to 4 moderate-sized fillets.
Oh.
Susie Homemaker.
That's a...
Jonna, what's your favorite fish?
I don't know. There's really no types of fish.
You like tuna fish?
Oh, yeah, you do.
All right, I have something for you. Fish. How about whitefish? Is it a protein, fat, or carbohydrate?
Fat.
If we were talking about salmon, that'd be a great answer. But if we're talking about whitefish, protein, carbohydrate, or fat?
Protein.
There you go. See, we quiz the kids on food nutrition. All right, then right into the air fryer. And the tip we've learned is make sure you spray the bottom of it so it doesn't stick when it's done cooking. Line it up. It's as easy as that. And then let's fast forward to the air fryer process. There you have it. Got 3 buttes ready to be air fried. So easy. Staples, that was easy. So it's nice because you have a fish setting ready to go. And we're gonna go 12 minutes. And it's automatic starts doing its magic. Thanks to the Power Air Fryer XL. All right, we'll give this 12 minutes. We'll time test it when it's done and see how it turns out. All right, so while we're waiting for the fish to air fry, let's go over another nutrition question, shall we?
Okay.
All right, so see that glass jar? What's in the glass jar? What's in here?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Olive oil. Protein, fat, or carbohydrate?
Carbohydrate.
Ooh, you seem really, really confident there. But let's second guess that. It wouldn't be quite a carbohydrate. Think about it. Oil.
Fat.
Fat. Ding, ding, ding. Blow it up.
Ow.
Blow it up. Secret handshake. All right, so I'm gonna. Here, hold this.
Mom, find the perfect birthday
I'm gonna
for
break this up here. I'm actually gonna add some lemon onto the fish. Here, come down here, like this. It's hot. This is actually looking pretty good. I don't think it's gonna be much longer. The lemon's really for garnish, but I'm gonna add some lemon to it. Give it a little bit extra flavor. All right, done. That was 12 minutes. Looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna side it with some broccoli and of course garnished with our lemon wedges. What do you think, dear? We try mahi mahi next?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, mahi mahi's next on the record. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
I do.
All right, the verdict is mmm.